In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. The Robinhood Wallet is a newly launched application that allows you to securely store all of your crypto assets, and you will be able to easily transfer them from Robinhood and also other exchange wallets. So make sure that you go into the Play Store or the App Store and you download the latest version of Robinhood Wallet. Once you have the app, you will be able to sign in and make sure that your account is ready. So I'm not going to go over the full sign up process in this video, but assuming that you have finished creating your account, all that you have to do now is go over to the menu at the top left, and one of the options here is going to be transfer from Robinhood. So there are two main ways to do this. This is the first one, and then it's the one that I'm going to recommend. Keep in mind that the first time that you open the app, they are also going to offer you the option for you to make your first deposit. Usually there are rewards attributed to the first deposit, and as you can see highlighted in green, they always give users the option to transfer from Robinhood crypto. So if you see this option when you first download the app and sign in with an account, then just select it here. You will be able to use your Robinhood credentials, you will be redirected into the application and approve this transfer. So it is the easiest way possible. But if you don't see the pop-up when you choose the option here that I've highlighted, transfer from Robinhood, then you will be able to get it started. Now, if this does not work or you don't like this approach, what you can do instead is choose the receive option in Robinhood. So on Robinhood Wallet, choose the receive option, and this will give you access to your wallet address. And once you have your wallet address for Robinhood Wallet copied, then what you have to do is go over to the normal Robinhood or any other exchange wallet and choose the option to send your crypto asset. This will allow you to send from Robinhood into the address that you copied for Robinhood Wallet. I hope I was able to help you on how to transfer crypto from Robinhood to Robinhood Wallet. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.